The DOKIO 110W solar panel kit is impressively portable, with a thickness of only 0.5 inches and a weight of just 6 pounds, making it highly convenient for transport and storage. This solar panel kit comes ready to use straight out of the box, providing reliable charging for all 12-volt batteries while offering protection against overcharging, overload, and short circuits. It is an ideal choice for outdoor and emergency situations with a cable length of 9.85 feet, making it suitable for various power stations and 12-volt batteries in RVs, cars, boats, and more. The high conversion efficiency of the monocrystalline solar cells ensures that you get maximum power output even with the panel's compact size, enhancing your battery bank's performance. For added convenience, the store offers a special supporting bracket for flexible folding boards and a 19.7 feet XT60 to XT60 extension cable, providing more setup options. While the solar panel is waterproof, it is designed for temporary or emergency use and should not be left out in prolonged bad weather or at night to avoid potential damage.